Look at that. Gorgeous. It is going to be fantastic. Come with me because today we're about to make my Deli Style Coleslaw, and it's going to taste 1,000 times better than anything you buy in the store. Believe you me. Let's get started. Last up on our salads is my coleslaw. And if you've ever eaten my coleslaw, I'm telling you now, you're never going to buy it anywhere else. Trust me when I tell you this. And if you thought my other two salads, my macaroni salad and my potato salad, were simple, it doesn't get any simpler than this. And I've even simplified it more than I have in the past. So, we're going to make the dressing. We have mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, some sugar, some black pepper, and some salt. Gonna give that a whisk. Simple ingredients made with love taste 1,000 times better than anything that you're gonna buy that's processed or manufactured. Trust me when I tell you that. Normally, I would take out my mandolin and I would start shredding all of my cabbages and my carrots. Not today. Today, I'm using bagged coleslaw mix. We're having a 4th of July party. We don't want to spend the entire day in the kitchen. So let's use products that are just as good as what you can prepare at home so that we can get out of the kitchen and enjoy our company and our party. Now we're just going to mix up the cabbages, the carrots, and the dressing in the bowl. These bags are great. They already have the red cabbage, the green cabbage, the carrots. Everything you need is already in there. And what does it take? 2 seconds to rip open a bag? This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is definitely a salad. Like I told you in my last 2 videos, when you make salads, especially mayo-based salads, the longer they sit, the better they taste. This, in particular, is one of those salads because it's going to sit in the dressing and it's going to start to break down the cabbage. And it is going to be fantastic. And guys, I cannot stress this enough to you. Today we made 3 different salads: macaroni salad, potato salad, and coleslaw. 3 of the most traditional salads that you'll find on any cookout table. And we made them in under an hour, and they taste 100,000 times better than anything you'll buy in the deli. And most importantly, they are so inexpensive to make at home. We needed 1 jar of mayonnaise, which I didn't even use the whole jar. I only used in total 3.5 cups of mayonnaise out of the entire jar, a small bottle of vinegar, and some herbs that we have already had at home. Trust me, making things at home taste better, they're less expensive, and your guests will be more than happy to eat every single last drop of it. Guys, if you want the recipe to my coleslaw, just comment the word recipe in the comment section below and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Or you can click the link in my bio, head over to my Substack, and you can find all of my recipes there. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and making all my salads for my 4th of July party today. Bye.